In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify Partners account. Whether you're a developer, consultant, or simply looking to dive into the world of e-commerce, setting up a Shopify Partners account is a fantastic way to unlock a range of benefits, from early access to new features, earning revenue through client referrals, to gaining access to exclusive educational resources. This account can really help you grow your skills and business. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the search bar. Type in Shopify Partner and look for the official Shopify website. It's usually the top result. Make sure you click on the correct link to stay safe and avoid phishing sites. Once you land on the Shopify Partners page, look for the button labeled Become a Partner. This is prominently displayed to guide new users like you, so it's easy to find. Next, click on Become a Partner and you'll see options for setting up your account. You can choose to continue with your email. Enter your email address and click Continue. After that, confirm your Google account if prompted. Then select Create and set up a new partner organization. You'll be asked to choose what you want to do here. Select Build New Shopify Store for Clients and click Next. To make the process smoother, here's a few quick tips. Make sure you have your business contact information handy, double-check your email for accuracy, and select the correct region for your business. Doing this beforehand ensures a smooth setup and prevents delays. Once you've filled out the form with your business information and clicked Create Partner Organization, you're all set. After that, you should be able to start building Shopify stores for clients and accessing all the resources available to partners without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the tools and features. Taking this extra step ensures you're ready to make the most of your new account. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create your Shopify Partners account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?